Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
Zetor 6945, with raw horsepower surging through its veins, hauls logs as if they were feathers. Hills, streams, it crosses them with a calm confidence, like a beast born for the wild. Experienced loggers often choose the harder cut, not because they have to, but because they want to perform. Each stroke is precise, like an artist carving the forest with steel. Chews like it's lazy, moves like it's bored. But inside that calm shell lies brutal force. Every log it swallows is turned to dust, gently, gracefully, like taking a lady for a walk in the park. The Savannah 1250 is no ordinary machine. It's a rebuilder of the land. With every pass, it breaks the old, tough soil and breathes life back into it, so the young trees can grow stronger, deeper, and greener. skill, no experience, just a saw and false confidence. Lucky it was a small tree. If it were bigger, he'd be in a hospital bed by now. Florida isn't just powerful, it's safe, smooth, and smart. With cutting performance that glides like silk and engine strength fit for a tractor, this is the machine real loggers trust. HG 8000TX. This isn't a machine, it's a monster. Look at it, devouring an entire tree like it's nothing. That's not cutting wood, that's domination by pure mechanical power. JD 7730 doesn't fight the stump, it erases it. One pass and years of roots vanish like dust. Precision, power, pure control. No more swinging axes, no more sweat. He built a machine that splits logs on its own, faster, cleaner, and far more efficient than any axe ever could. This isn't noise. This is controlled destruction. The Gen's BA725 grinds through timber with such ease you'd think the wood surrendered before the first contact. It doesn't care if it's summer or snowing. It doesn't care if it's pine, oak, or hickory. This is a bark-stripping beast, built for one thing: performance. Day in, day out. No excuses. Log truck is ready. There's no rush, just rhythm. Each grab lifts a log with grace and control. One by one, the giants rise. It looks basic, but the moment it cuts, you realize this is brilliance in raw form. A homemade sawmill that turns timber into planks with shocking precision.
The end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.